Hi guys, good evening. Before I'm going to sleep, I'm going to drink ginger tea. I have new mug now, not like before. You know that ginger tea, it helps you uh, remove some bad toxins in your body, or help you to become more healthier when you drink ginger tea. I don't I don't research yet about the benefits of ginger tea, but I believe it heals every uh, sickness, like colds, coughing. It happens to me often that I cough, but when I drink ginger tea in the morning, I feel relief, and I feel I have no more what do you call that? It's runny nose, something like that. It's everything gone when I drink ginger tea in the morning. So other than that, when I feel like my throat is itchy, so I have ginger tea for before I'm going to sleep. Kung medyo makati yung lalamunan at hindi ka naman nilalagnat, or you don't have fever, you can drink ginger tea because it helps to remove the itchy of your throat. But if you have fever, it's not advisable for me to drink ginger tea because it it doesn't make you feel better when you have fever, because the warm from your body, that like heat from your body, it doesn't come out. So for me, I don't avoid drinking ginger tea when you are having fever. But if you don't, it's only cough, only cold, it can help the ginger tea. Sometimes I put calamansi juice in it, calamansi juice or honey, for additional healing from ginger tea with calamansi or only ginger tea. Huh? This is the color of the ginger tea. See that? Yeah. That's the ginger tea color. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and may God bless. It's proven for me that ginger tea is really good. Thank you for watching.